Hi guys, today we've got another quick and easy braided hairstyle for you. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face, and all we're going to do is section the hair off from the top of the ears straight across. Now brush that top section towards the right hand side of the head and then do a regular 3-strand braid all the way down to the bottom of the hair. Tie it off with a clear elastic band. Now with this bottom section we're going to bring it over to the left hand side and do a rope braid. So split the hair in half, twist both those sections to the left and then cross the left strand over the right strand. Carry on doing this until you reach the end of the hair and tie it off with another elastic band. Next, take the braid on the top, the 3-strand braid, and create a little loop at the bottom of the hair by pulling the ends almost through that elastic. And we're going to position it coming over to the left, and we're going to fold it twice until it reaches the back of the ear on the left hand side, and then just secure it all the way along that braid with a few bobby pins to keep it secure. Now take the rope braid and do the same, so pull the ends part way through to create a loop, and then we're going to fold it twice so it's the same size as the braid above, and then push it up against that 3-strand braid and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.